I'm half Congolese, half Rwandese. Growing up, my mother always emphasized,
I am Shama. I come from the biggest tribe in Uganda called the Baganda. I come from the largest kingdom in Uganda called the Buganda Kingdom. Centuries ago, we welcomed your people, your grandparents, because they are running away from hostilities that happened in Rwanda. We gave them land. We gave them food. Our grandparents cut off their land and gave peace to them, such that they settled there with their families. For us to make them not feel segregated, we gave them our names. We treated them like brothers and sisters. We gave them everything. We married them. We gave them our sisters. They also married them. Through intermarriages, we thought it was the only way to make these people not feel segregated or feel at home, such that we can live in peace and harmony. Because that is all we wanted. We are the peaceful people Uganda has. We are loving, we are welcoming, and we are always happy people in Uganda. We welcome everyone. But guess what? The love, the hope, everything that we thought would come from your people was in vain. But instead, they had an idea of destroying us. They had an idea of killing us, to occupy us. They killed our parents. They killed our grannies. They took everything that we had in Uganda. People who had nothing, they came with nothing. Now they own miles, acres, and square miles of land. Us, the native, we own nothing. They kill. They do everything to their desire. They feel we the natives, we don't have to live in the country called Uganda. They think we have to bow down. They are the kings and the queens. They think they are the princes and the princesses of the land. That is why your mom always told you not you to call yourself a Rwandi. That is who you are. The Tutsis. You have this mentality that was brought in you by Museveni and Kagame to make you feel that you own everything in Africa and other people don't have a right to anything, even if it is for their ancestors. But I assure you, generations come and go. Generations change. History repeats itself. What I had forgotten to tell you about, we are fighters. We fight to the last drop if we decide to fight. We fight to the last drop of blood in our veins. We fight for what belongs to us. Because your ancestors called Museveni and Kagame had this stupid mentality that they should build the Tutsi Bahima dynasty to occupy Africa at the expense of others, and others should live as refugees in their own land. That is a myth. And don't think that those generations are gone now. No, we still exist. We still have the pain of betrayal by your grandfathers. A generation that Museveni started up. And we are saying, if you want unity, if you want to live in peace, if you feel you are discriminated, please get off Museveni's hook. And I assure you, Museveni is putting trash in you. You won't have a home. Because every person that was forced to leave the country, every person who lost a loved one, every person who was sent into hiding, every person who was forced to flee because he wanted to live, I assure you, that blood is going to haunt you again. That blood is going to come back for what belongs to them. Because we believe in reincarnation. Our people don't die, but they just reincarnate. If you feel you are discriminated, ask your past. Why everywhere it is us who are destabilizing the region? It is us, the Tutsis, who feel segregated. You are saying you are half Congolese, you are half Rwandi. Also in Uganda, we have them. They call themselves Ugandan Rwandese. We have them, of which there is a state called Rwanda. Why don't you have peace in your place? Why do you feel ashamed to be called Rwandese? This world is big enough for all of us. Not one thinking that is superior to others. We feel we can have a better home and everyone can live happy life. Get off that trash that Kagame and Museveni is dragging you into. Get off those stupid dreams that Kagame is giving you that you can colonize Africa. You cannot. That cannot happen because every land has its natives. The generations still exist. We are not destroyed from our land, and we shall fight. I repeat, we shall fight to get back what is ours. What our grandparents worked for, we shall fight. If you want to live in harmony, you, the Tutsis of this our generation, unite alongside your generation. Leave those silly tales by that past generation that is dragging you into, is causing you into trouble, is causing you into prolonged wars, is causing you into suffering. Because you think you can build an empire on the blood and the bones of others. No, not us. We shall fight. I stand with the Congolese. I stand with the Congolese people. Fight hard. Fight to the last man standing, because that is yours. The minerals that you have on your land, it was given to you by God, not one else. And no one is going to fight to change what you have to change by yourself. Others will just help you when you are leading the fight. We must end Museveni and Kagame's repression and oppression, such that we can live a free generation, happy, borderless, and passportless. No African must suffer because of the two people, Museveni and Kagame. We must unite and come to an end of Museveni's and Kagame's oppression of Africans. We must unite as Africans and end the bloodshed by Museveni and Kagame. We must do this for the next generation. If our grandparents were lied to, we shouldn't be that fooled generation for Museveni and Kagame to make us slaves again. The slavery must end with us, and it is going to take every African to fight and rally to end Museveni and Kagame's oppression. We stand with the people of Congo. We stand with you in prayers. We shall speak for the people of Congo. We shall bring the oppression in light. We shall prove to the world that it is really not M23, but it is Kagame and Museveni's oppression on your land. We shall do this for our generation and the next generations to come. Bloodshed must end with us. No one should live in a refugee camp when you have a home. We all have a home. No one God created in refugee camps. But it is because of these people who think they are superior to everyone and others must live as slaves. No. We must say no as a generation and end this oppression by Museveni and Kagame. Then to you, the Tutsi brothers and sisters, make no mistake. Do the right thing. You know the right thing. Stand against Museveni and Kagame. Unite with Africans and other tribes. We can all live free and happy for God and my country, Uganda. I stand with the people of Congo. I stand with President Tshisekedi. Fight that Congo belongs to you, not Kagame or Museveni. For God and my country. People power, our power. President Bobby Wine, my president.